Hey all, it's Diver Below again. So I just got the pan off, finally. Uh, Not focusing too well, but anyways, I wanted to show you guys that the chain guide. See all this down here? That's the chain guide right there. That's what's left of it. All these pieces. That's what happens when you start hearing that timing chain rattle. Address the issue right away. So if you think that you can just get away cheaply with just putting that spacer on and stuff, definitely check the chain guide. I mean, it's worth it to drop the oil pan anyways. But yeah, these are, look at all that. Look at all them pieces. That's the chain guide. And wipe some of this off. I was able to take the plastic piece off of the new one. It just snaps on. It was so easy. So I tested it a few times, snapping it on, snapping it off of the new one. So the plastic guide that was on here, snapping it on, snapping it off with that one. Grab my nice brand new LED light. There it is. All you gotta do is pop the valve cover off, slide it down in there, and it literally just snaps in. Now, because I was taking the oil pan off anyways, I was able to get underneath there. Show you guys here. Able to get underneath there. See if you can see it. And push the other piece on the bottom. Piece of cake. It's that simple. So much better than taking all this crap off. So simply remove the valve cover, remove the oil pan, slap that piece back on. But yeah, that's all that junk. Look at all that. All that junk. So hopefully this helps you guys out. I'll put the link in the description for that new spacer. I'm going to throw all this back together, throw that spacer on, clean all this crap out, obviously, and then start it up. So I'll put the link in the description for James Martin, and then everybody that's put it on there so far has had amazing results. People have replaced their chains and everything, and after 12,000 miles it happens again. So with this spacer, you guys don't have to worry about anything. All right, I'll get back to you. Bye.